Hello, everybody. It's been quite a while since I've been right here. Just probably a couple months or so, I think. But I'm back. Little late to 2.0 because my hard drive died, but that's okay. I'm here now. If you look around, you can tell I've already played a little bit. I opened a few loot boxes, but I've left the 70 here for us now. I hope you all are ready for this massive unboxing. If you could call it massive. Anyway, here we go. We'll start by opening the regular loot chests, I guess. Then we'll go over to the veteran, then the epic. Let us begin! Oh, purple right off the bat.
Epic.
Ooh. Hey, that's rather pretty. I don't play Lily, but hey, it's pretty. I'll take it. Not a bad portrait. Oh, now that I like. That I will use. I like the Grim Skull Nazebo, and that purple looks very nice. Very, very nice. What the hell? Oh, a legendary. What'd I get? What? Oh, yes, Monkey King Samuro. I mean, I'm not so fond of that color variation, but I love that skin. Yes, I'll take it. Thank you. That skin's okay, I guess. Probably won't use Regal Alarak. I'll take his master skin, thanks.
It's hammer time!
But oh, come on now, this, yes. It's hammer time! Come on now.
It's hammer time!
This is my thing, yes. Freaking love Muradin. So good. Oh hey, that's not bad looking, I like that. I like that skin too.
You thought you were so clever.
Oh yes, I found my voice line for Asmodan. I wonder how it translates to when I use it on Asmodonk. Guess I'll find out. Another purple. Oh yes, I love that portrait. It's a beautiful Tyrael portrait.
Face the war chief of the Horde.
Yeah, that's okay, I guess.
Epic.
Judith Flame of Fear. Not bad. Now I actually have a choice. I want to use that or his master skin. That'll be a hard choice. Anyway, that's all the loot chests. Time for the veteran chests. See what juicy bits I get here. I think there's like... I read a little bit up on these before. I think there's a high chance of having legendaries in these. Not a guaranteed chance. Maybe. I'm not entirely certain. Don't quote me on that. We'll find out. Well, legendary right off the bat. I think I might be right. Legendary last. Ew. Ringmaster Greymane. I'll stick with his master skin. That witch hunter skin's fucking fantastic. Now what'd I get?
Legendary.
Oh. Okay. Well, thanks for the shards at least. And if you're wondering, I'm not re-rolling because I don't have a whole lot of gold right now. Like, I don't have every hero in the game. I don't know if I'm going to get any of those, what are they called? The hero bundles, I think they are. I'm not going to get any of those, I don't think. I might, but I don't really think so. Pretty sure I'll just get the rest of the heroes with gold, or maybe shards if I'm able to. We'll find out. Anyway, on to the next chest. Oh, well, I think I was right. I think you do get a legendary for every chest. That's not bad. I like the others. I like the other variations of it better though. Yeah, that's cute. What'd I get?
Legendary.
Oh, hey, that'll match my Samuro skin. Sweet. shards. Oh, I love that fucking... I love that skin. The skin's really nice.
Now that deserves a brew or two.
Or two.
Legendary.
Oh, little Ragnaros, yes. Liking what I'm getting so far. The art skin's not bad, but I like the Desert Queen Zagara more.
I shall purge this land of the shadow.
Yeah. That's what I get.
Legendary.
The exact skin I was talking about. Okay. Well, that's fine. More shards for me. Boom, boom.
Epic.
Oh, Violet Tiger carries him, huh? I might use that. It's not bad. Not bad at all.
Legendary.
Infested Tychus. Oh, now it's gonna be real hard. I love his master skin, but Infested Tychus is really good too. Oh. Boy, that's gonna be such a hard choice. I'll make 2 different loadouts for it. Yes. Boom, boom, boom. Okay.
Prepare for trouble and make it double.
Yes. Now that voice line I like.
Legendary.
I already have Mechatacidar though. I'm not quite liking what I'm getting anymore. I like these Diablo emotes. That's fucking cute. What
Legendary.
Butcherlisk. Why are they all orange though? I don't like orange. Come on. Could you give me the red one? Eh. Oh well. I still like it. I'm still gonna use it, that's for dang sure. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh. I don't play Valera, but I like that skin. That spray's adorable.
Legendary.
Oh. Okay. That was my last veteran chest. Okay. Maybe I have better luck with the next 55 epic chests. Hopefully. Hopefully. So, yeah, okay. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh. Hearthstone. That'll be a new mount for when I played Nova. That was just a pink variant of her master skin. It's just nice.
Your life is now forfeit.
Yeah, I like that. That's intimidating.
Your life is now forfeit.
Your life is now forfeit. Let's face it, anything in freaking Uther's voice is intimidating. I don't remember those voice actor's name, but I freaking love him so much. I remember specifically, he was the narrator, or like the guy who told you what to do, in Crackdown. Like, I fucking loved it. Crackdown's such a good game, man. So good.
Epic.
Oh, I like that. Ooh, World War Sergeant Hammer, huh? No, I'll take that Stimpak, thank you. Yes, please. Boom, 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 boom.
Epic.
Ooh, Magni Murden, yes, please.
Not everyone deserves to be saved.
Yeah, that's okay, I guess. Gilbert Tychus, I like a lot, though.
Epic.
Ooh, new Barakanaut. The Cyber Demon Zarya, yes! I love that skin so much. I like the red variant a little bit more, but, you know, I'll take the orange, too. That's fine.
Prepare for combat.
Prepare for combat. I can't do that effect. I ain't got no voice modifiers here.
Epic.
Ooh, Cyberwolf. It's not bad. Your flaws are revealed. Oh,
The balance will be preserved.
That it will, Zool, that it will. Boom, 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 boom.
Epic.
Ooh. Okay, now that's an orange skin I can like. That's nice looking, though I don't think I'll use it because I have the Witch Hunter Vala, which is really, really nice.
Bang your head.
That's okay. Ringmaster's mount isn't bad. No, my mouse turned off. Come on back, Mr. Mouse. There you go. I think my driver is a little outdated. Just got this hard drive working today, so yeah, it might be. I'll go over there later and update it. Oh, legendary!
Epic.
Oh, baller announcer.
Prepare for combat.
Prepare for combat. Oh, yes, I love this voice line.
You messed with the wrong shaman.
You messed with the wrong shaman! Oh, they cut it off. It's supposed to be a friend after that. They're like, you messed with the wrong shaman, friend! Oh.
Legendary.
Why am I always getting these oranges and yellows? I mean, it's okay. I like a lot of the stuff I'm getting, but I don't like orange and I don't like yellow. Could you give me something red, please? Please? I'd like that very much.
Epic.
Oh, head chef stitches. Ooh. And Star Chariot, huh? Ugh. I was just messing up right there.
Epic.
Oh, Medic Uther. Gosh. I want the... What's the skin called? The Uther's new skin. I want the green variation of it. It's like... The one where he has Sulfurous. That one looks really cool. I had that one in the beta when 2.0 is in there. But Medic Uther is really good too. I like that one a lot as well.
Epic.
Oh, yes! Thank you! Oh, yes! The Castle Announcer! Yes! It's my favorite!
Hey, gang! Hope you're ready for a grudge match.
Fucking love Gaslo so much.
Let the battle begin. Oh, classic.
That makes me happy.
Epic.
Ew, of Dr. Morales. Well, I got Suffering Mistress Kerrigan though, which is pretty nice. It's like an updated Succubus Kerrigan, which I'm perfectly fine with.
Epic.
How's it Gul'dan? Okay. I might use that Iron Claw Rhaegar though, I like that skin. I won't ever use that as Gul'dan though. As Modunk. Forever. For life!
Epic.
Oh! Hey. They answered my requests! Got the red Tyrande skin. Eagle Eye Tyrande. That was actually the variant I wanted, too. I don't play Tyrande, but with her new rework coming out next week, I definitely will. I'll make use of that skin. And it's not Love Goddess Tyrande, but it's still a really good skin.
Epic.
Oh, Shogun Artanis. They're not bad. I like my Purifier Artanis better, but that's still pretty nice. And this right here is fucking adorable. Freaking Brightwing. Boom, boom, boom. Oh. If that was Grunty Murky, I'd be happy. But I like this. This I like. Maybe I'll start playing Chromie some more. I've wanted to practice a lot with Chromie, because I feel like I could do good with her if I really tried. But right now I'm really bad with her. I miss fucking everything. Practice is what I need. Lots of it. Oh, legendary! Oh, I like that. That's nice. And what I get? Come on.
Legendary.
Yay! Samuro. Ooh. Okay. Moving on.
Epic.
Ooh. That's pretty nice. All of Valera's skins are really nice. Like, I don't play Valera. I don't really like Stealthy as much, but Valera's skins are just kind of... They're all really good. Like, the fucking color schemes of all of them mesh really, really well together. It's... Honestly, Valera has some of the best skins. At least, when it comes to color. It's hard to beat them. Whoever it is that designed Valera's skins did a fan-fucking-tastic job. And this Zerg War banner here. I love this right here. This is really fucking cool.
Epic.
Oh god. Oh god. Funny Buddy Murray. That's fucking terrifying. I'll use it though. I will fucking use that.
Epic.
Oh, no. Okay, I guess. Next. Oh, legendary. That's really nice looking. I like the white version a little bit more, but that blue version is very pretty.
Legendary.
Yay, another duplicate, thank you. That's exactly what I wanted for Christmas.
Epic.
Oh, I'm just running out of luck right now, aren't I? I feel like I am. Excuse that frog in my throat.
Epic.
Oh god.
Epic.
This fucking Harlequin Nazebo out of nowhere. Nova's on though. I like that. The skin variation is kind of okay. It's kind of dull color-wise, but yeah, I like it. I like the other variations of it a little bit more, but make do what you got, you know.
Epic.
Yay. Okay.
Epic.
Ooh, Ryko Leoric. Now that I can enjoy. I've wanted that skin for a really long time. It's such a good skin. Oh, it just gives me God King Leoric. Okay, that's even better than fucking Ryko Leoric. Thank you. This game's just trying to make me play Leoric right now. That's what this game's trying to do. Oh, and I got the Crimson Fellsaber Demon too. Yes. I fucking love that mount so much. When I found out that that mount came only with the Legion's Digital Deluxe pack, I was so fucking sad. I did not want to put out the money for that Digital Deluxe edition. I just couldn't bring myself to do it. It was just no. I bought Legion, but just not the Digital Deluxe. And that mount, that makes me really happy. I got 30 more to go.
Epic.
Ooh.
Don't mess with the best, laddie.
I like that. I like it in the Murad and Muradin skin better though. It's don't mess with the best, punk. That's fucking fantastic.
Epic.
Oh, Emerald Tassadar. That actually looks really nice. I kind of like that. That blends really well together. And let's face it, this banner right here is pretty fucking badass. Yeah, you can't deny it. Look at that. That's fucking cool.
Epic.
Oh, another Chef Stitcharge. It's okay, I guess.
Epic.
This skin's not bad. I like Fostad's Master skin. but I'm not so sure I like the skin variation as much as the others. I might use it though. I love that freaking mohawk of feathers. It's fucking fantastic. Whoosh.
Epic.
Oh, Thunder Guard Zarya. That's beautiful. I'm probably not going to use it because I have the newer skin that they just made. What was it, Cyber Demon Zarya? I like that one a lot more, but just look at the eyes on Thunder Guard Zarya. It's so pretty. Just her eyes. Oh my god. The color's just... It's just so pretty. Whenever I see that skin, like, immediately. Actually, whenever I see Zarya in this game, period, my eyes just go straight to hers. They're so beautiful in this game. Just such pretty eyes.
Epic.
Epic. Epic. Jugwallow's okay, I guess. An okay chest. I like that I got some shards out of it, at least.
Epic.
Ooh, Butcher's Beast. Thank you, please. I'll happily take that. Boom, 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 boom. Ew, Frostlord Rexar. Gross.
Epic.
Okay. Not a very great box. Next. What do I get?
Epic.
Stitches ain't bad. I'm getting way too many Stitches skins though. I don't even own Stitches because I don't like Stitches. I don't know if there's anybody out there who's watching and likes Stitches. Zach, I don't really like Stitches that much. To be completely honest, he's not really my kind of hero.
Glory to the firstborn.
Yeah. 20 chests to go. We're almost there. See if we can get anything else exciting before the end. Oh, I love this Dahaka emoji. Go lick everyone and everything. I got the red variation of Butcher's Beast that I like. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Ah, yes. It's cheerleader character and the skin is so fucking cute. And Order Master of All, yes. I love that skin. I got that shit when I was on the beta and that was the only skin I used. I have freaking Witch Hunter Vala, but nope. Order Master Vala just takes it from me. That, the cowl is really, really cool. And then the crossbows are fucking badass. But you cannot go wrong with that skin. It's just so cool.
Epic.
Oh, now that is I said I'd use the other Lily skin, but now this is probably my favorite Lily skin right here, and it's the exact color variation that I would want to use. The game's trying to convince me to play Lily now, apparently. But maybe I will. Maybe I'll just have to put down Lucio for a little bit, I guess. That's not bad either. I do like Unholy Worm Arthas. Don't really like the sword, nor in that skin, but I do like the skin itself. Shoulder pads really make it. Well, I have all variations of the freaking Butcher's Beast at this point. I'm kind of happy about that. I fucking love the Butcher's Beast. It's a really fucking cool mount. And that's probably my favorite variation right there. The Savage Butcher's Beast. Look at this badass kerosene spray right here.
Epic.
Well, I'm okay with this. Fucking badass portrait, and I got the new Sylvanas skin, which is kind of okay. I like the bow. The bow's really cool. I got Eagle Eye Tyrande. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, yes! Hellhammer Thrall! Gosh! That's my favorite skin for Thrall. And I got the Tal'Darim Protoss banner. This is nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Looks like it.
Epic.
Markablo? Okay, I guess. It's not bad. Great. like it. Not bad. It could be more maniacal. Come on, it's Gaul. Oh. Okay, these are cute. These are really cute. I'm gonna use those. But I won't believe them. Get an iffy on. He's okay. I like his Raven form in that skin, but skin itself is kind of okay. Oh, love goddess Tyrande. Okay, you just fucking made Eagle Eye Tyrande obsolete. Why'd you even give me the other Tyrande skins? Like, why? You just fucking wasted my time, game. Dun, 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 dun.
Epic.
Oh my god. These are adorable. They're so cute. Everything else on here I don't really like that much. I like this. I like these Warcraft 3 knockbacks here. They're nice.
Epic.
Hellblade Samro's not bad, but I have Monkey King Samro now, so I don't really think I want that. I like that portrait. And Throwback Tracer's okay, I guess. But I have Spectre Tracer, which I like way more. Way more. Spectre Tracer is pretty nice.
Epic.
Hellblade Samro. I guess same thing to say. Nice repeating myself.
Epic.
Another Stitches skin. Gotcha.
Epic.
Ugh, I'm not liking this anymore. Come on. Oh, legendary.
Epic.
Come on.
Legendary.
Really? Really? Okay. This game just lives to disappoint me today. First day back in almost a month, and the game's just like, nope, you're not getting anything, boy.
Epic. Epic. Epic.
Well, I can't be mad about this, but I don't really like any of these skins. I like Crypt King Cassadar a little bit, but Twilight Herald of Nazoth Alaric is okay. I mean, it's not a bad skin by any means, but I have his master skin, which I like a lot more. And we've already been over it all. There's no reason to talk about that again.
Epic.
Ooh. I wish I could turn them. This is pretty nice. I like this. I like that mount. It's really nice. 2 more left. If I get something good, come on.
Epic.
Golden skin's not bad. Last one. Oh, no legendary. What'd I get? Oh, yes! Bell Spider Gul'dan, and it's the exact one I love. That I can be happy with. This Gleaming Pack is adorable. I'm satisfied with my last loot box. I'm happy. I got almost 200 things out of all 70 of those loot boxes. I can't be mad about that. I didn't like everything I got, but you know, it's free stuff. I can't complain. Not at all. But anyway, that's it for this unboxing. Maybe I'll do another one if I'm not lazy. Be a lot to work up. Another bit of loot boxes, but we'll see in the future. Maybe I'll feel up to it someday. Anyway, with that, I'll say goodbye to all of you, my friends. And I hope to see you all sometime later. Goodbye. Oh.